Yeah? Other plaza, other plaza. Okay.
She's signing up to get free credit to our shipping company.
Oh, are you interested? Shipping company. Yeah, I don't know what express. Oh, well, she normally do all the
Online shopping.
and just use my card and my name.
Guilty as charged.
Not sure about that one. Yes, yes. My money there, don't it? Don't it?
What?
Is it possible these pictures are going to be uploaded to guys' Facebook? Or is there any way I can get them?
Yeah, you can get it. No problem. I can get it to you. Just give me a WhatsApp.